If you start your day feeling tired and achy, I've got just the thing. Join me as we recharge from head to toe with a gentle yoga practice you can do anywhere in a chair. It's the perfect way to start your day or use any time you need an extra boost of energy. So go ahead, get comfy, grab your chair, and let's dive into this rejuvenating routine together. Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today, moving into a cat-cow stretch variation. With your hands to your thighs, inhale, lift through your heart. Exhale, round your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest. Continue flowing with this movement. With each inhale, lift through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back, and with each exhale, round your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest. Release and return to center. Step your feet into a wide stance, rooting down through your feet. Place your hands to lightly rest behind your head with your elbows wide. Inhale, center. Exhale, gently twist. Inhale, center. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue rotating from right to left, keeping your spine long and your navel back towards your spine. Maintain your hips facing forward, allowing this movement to originate from your waist rather than your hips, arms, or shoulders, working through your obliques. Adding on, inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, draw your shoulder towards your hip, gently flexing. Inhale to upright. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath. With each inhale, re-lengthen your spine. And with each exhale, draw your shoulder towards your hip, keeping your elbows wide, broadening across your chest, gently flexing through your side body, working through your obliques. Adding on, inhale at the top, exhale, reach one arm down your leg and the opposite arm up and overhead. Inhale at the top, exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue moving from right to left, keeping the weight even in your hips, lifting up and out of both sides of your waist, breathing wide into your side body. Adding on, inhale, reach your arms overhead. Exhale, gently twist, reaching one arm forward and the opposite arm back. Inhale at center, arms reach overhead. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue twisting from right to left, keeping your navel back towards your spine, moving from your waist rather than your hips, arms, or shoulders, working through your obliques. Pausing and upright, moving into a diagonal stretch. Place your hands to your thighs, fingertips pointing inward. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, draw your shoulder towards the opposite knee. Inhale to upright. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, keeping your core engaged, stretching through your inner thighs, spine, shoulders, and chest. Pausing and upright, place your right forearm to your right thigh, reach your left arm overhead, sweep across the horizon and to your left thigh, repeating on the opposite side. Continue moving at your own pace, feeling a gentle stretch through your spine, shoulders, arms, and side body. Pausing at center, maintain your wide stance, moving into torso circles with your hands to your thighs. Inhale, circle your torso forward and around. Exhale, circle back. Continue flowing with this movement, gradually increasing your range of motion, creating more space and ease through your chest, shoulders, spine, and abdomen. Stay connected to your breath as you switch directions, moving slowly and gently, allowing this gentle movement to revitalize and nourish your spine. Release and return to center. Moving into one more seated twist variation. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the right, reaching your left hand to your right leg, placing your right hand behind you for support, gently rotating from your navel, ribs, and chest. Unwind and repeat on the opposite side. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the left, reaching your right hand to your left leg, placing your left hand behind you for support, allowing this twisting action to provide a gentle massage for your spine and belly organs. Release and return to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste. Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, as it'll help you to remind you to stay on your fitness journey. And remember your happy yoga smile. Namaste.
Now that was good.
To purchase a copy of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr on DVD, visit happyyoga.tv. And to gain access to over 100 episodes of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr, visit happyyogaondemand.com.